Good, now it's on the record.
Yeah,
is the timer going or no?
I don't know. How do you check?
Is there a timer walking on the top?
I don't know.
Now?
I don't see it. I don't know if there's...
yeah, there's a record. The red thing is going on and off.
Yeah, but I don't know if that means it's... I don't know.
Put my window up?
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna say it's fine.
Yeah, it's recording.
Okay.
Kanker.
We have one lap, yeah?
Yeah, and then we'll go meet
With
them
the
up.
lights on?
They're on.
Nice. Have fun. It's okay, just do it like yesterday and you'll be just fine, or even more if you want. It's all good with me.
I'll take some corners a bit quick because we can now.
Yes.
But I will still relax.
Especially on the downhills, just like we did. Yeah?
Yeah, man.
This is good.
This is good.
VHF cam
We
time.
gaan echt niet snel, jongen. Hoeft ook niet. The shifts are nice.
Yeah.
Dude, I'm so good at that. What the fuck?
Yeah, it's good, huh?
Conquer. It's all good. I'll let
Okay,
it go.
just do what I do. Give him the lines.
Yep, exactly.
Dude, it's so good. This little Proton, I love it. I love this Proton, man. It's such a good little car. The fuel is
I'm gonna do a bit hard on the brakes just to test it.
Yeah, even more. It's lekker, yeah?
That's good.
Yeah, I didn't use them that much. Giving the crowd a little bit.
Definitely not going as hard as you.
No, but you're doing more than yesterday, and it feels good. You have to admit, it feels good. Yeah, I don't brake that hard.
Dude, I don't either.
But you're just testing them. They're not faded at all, dude. They're good. Yeah, just give them the line. There you go. And they appreciate it too. They really appreciate that when you do it, you know? See? Yeah. Hey, at least I got a spot now to watch.
Yeah, so we're good now.
Take this one nice. It's a really nice one. Trust it. Go.
Like this is good?
Yeah, no, more. Trust.
You hope stop? Okay.
Go. You have to trust the tires. They're very good. They're really good. They're better than you think, dude.
I'll take my time in this?
Yes, but they're better than you think.
Nice.
It's like this. Power. There you go. Nice. Yeah, nice.
There's no one on the track.
It's good, man. It's so good, isn't it? It's like kind of like a private track. See? And now, yeah, just use the heel to brake. Perfect. See? It's not that bad.
Echt vies weer, hè?
Yeah, but it's good that we're doing this lap, and then maybe we should stop and see how it looks.
No,
yeah?
we'll definitely take a break.
Yeah, take a break after this, yeah?
Yeah, this is good there.
Just do it on intermediate here, just like
you do it.
I'll do it on there.
You good?
So, yeah, good. Go for it. There's a car. There's a lot of cars. Dude, this little Proton. Holy shit. You're already going faster than yesterday, man.
I know, dude.
140. I hit 150, 55.
Yeah, but I'm taking it less easy. And keep in mind, look at the weather. It's not great.
Yeah. Dude, we're getting so much like kicks out of the exhaust. It's hilarious. That's going well, dude. It's going really well. Emma.
Conquer.
Yeah, I know, it sucks when they are...
Yeah, but they're all here. It's fine, I get it.
Get that BMW Civic. I love that these are all the same cars, and they're all looking at us like, hey, it's them again, you know? Dude, that BMW's so gunker. He's not letting the Civic through. Left. There you go.
Yeah, I'm gonna take it easy.
Yeah, it's getting rainy.
Yeah,
you see that?
I'm braking on it.
Yeah. How do they feel?
You felt the whole car.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna take it easy now, yeah?
Yeah.
The track is pretty dry still.
We'll do it fast.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's gonna get worse.
That's why.
It's good, right? The tires.
It's still very good, and I think these tires on the wets are still very nice.
Yeah, the Toyo R1Rs are still really pretty decent in the rain. That's the thing, you know?
But look, everyone's slowing down, so we're gonna do the same, yeah?
Yeah, of course, because it's starting
Especially
to rain.
bij Adenau, dus echt niet chill.
No. Adenau, especially in the rain.
Nah, that's why we'll not let it cook now, yeah? Because look, everyone's just chilling.
Yeah, 'cause
and
it's
these
raining.
guys know what they're doing, you know?
Yeah, and so do we.
That's why.
Ja, dus look, it's really getting fucked.
Nee, we gaan nu rustig doen.
Ja,
man.
we gaan nu rustig, man. Want dit is niet chill.
Suzuki's just chilling.
Yeah, we all are. We're all doing that.
Yeah, we gotta take it easy, man. I'm not gonna risk
No.
zo niet leuk.
No. I 100% I'm with you on that. Now it's getting a bit better.
But, not great.
And we're going to Adenau.
Yeah, that's why. I'll just take it easy by Adenau, man.
Yeah. I 100%. I'm with you on that.
Gewoon in de twee, doe je niks. Yeah, because the inside is not good to take this line on the inside, but I think it's okay just for the sake of going slow. It's no problem.
Yeah. Okay, it's getting a bit better now. But let's do it after Adenau. We can do our thing again if the weather persists.
Yeah.
Or doesn't persist, I should say. Yeah, you want it to. Nice. Clean.
See, but the track still looks very dry. I have to be honest.
Yeah.
But we're just gonna see how the others do.
Yeah, just judge by that, go by that.
Yeah, now I'm just gonna let the engine do the work.
Yep, exactly. People are like, what the hell is that? A Proton? I love that it's the same people. This is brilliant, dude. It's absolutely brilliant. This. Oh, it doesn't record well in the rain. No, it's like all fuzzy. Ja, we gaan het toch even doen.
Look, Ruben.
Oh, dude, it does you. That doesn't make sense to me. Like, who put that there?
I don't know, but it's definitely a Spaniard because it's an E accent.
Oh, but I thought it was you.
No. Yeah, 70. That was better than yesterday.
Yeah, improvement.
Weather's a bit better, I have to say.
Dude, we might be in luck with you. For you, one more.
It's on there.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, this is the
We'll see the weather, yeah?
mean corner.
Because then you and me have to go again.
Yeah, of course.
It's you and me in the car.
I think 2 laps together is fair.
Yes, very fair. We'll see how it goes,
This
yeah?
is.
The tires are better than you think, dude.
Yeah, but
For real.
just because it was raining, I wanted to...
No, I don't even blame you. I 100% agree with that.
Okay, let's just keep the speed up a little.
Yep, because it's Adenau.
It's not Adenau, but yeah.
You know what I mean?
Dude, we're only going 3,500 reps on the rig.
Dude, who cares?
It's so
We're having
fun.
the most fun.
Yeah, we are.
In our little Proton, dude. Our little dream job. It's so fucking brilliant, man. I love that I beat a 325i.
Dude, I have it on film, huh?
I know, we're gonna show that in the...
Dude, we caught up with the Suzuki.
Yeah! Oh, get that Suzuki! Get the Suzuki's yours, man! Get him!
Nah.
Try.
Yeah, I'll just take it easy because, dude, 120 in the rain is totally fine.
Yeah, it is, dude. Trust me, you're doing great.
I am.
Yeah, man. I think you're pretty over it.
Dude, I'm so over it.
Yeah, right?
I'm still very cautious, like I'm very realistic.
Get that Suzuki. You need to beat a car,
I will
man,
beat the
in
car.
the Proton.
I will.
To show on YouTube that we beat cars.
Sorry.
It's okay. See? Don't shift in the corner.
That was bad, but I did it easy.
Yeah.
Sorry. It was just because I shifted, I took it off.
Yeah, I know. I felt that. But even in neutral, if you turn
It's
wider,
big, yeah, I know.
don't do that.
Okay, this car's coming and I want the carousel.
Yeah,
They're not going crazy quick, but still. We'll see how we can do. We might miss the carousel, to be honest.
I'm gonna turn this off, yeah? No, just if you need a break to get the carousel, do it. Because the carousel is brilliant, dude.
I can take it.
Alright, just take it, fuck him. Just take it. Take it.
Okay.
Fuck him. Fuck him, take it.
I will.
Take it. Yeah! Go! And power. is so good, dude. I love the car. Look at this BMW. Yeah, doing good. Yes, get him, get him.
No. Oh my God, he went to the right because another car.
We're doing good. Yeah, we are, man. In our little Proton, dude. I love this little thing. This little nugget. Alright,
We're gonna be serious.
Try to stay in front of the Beamer. Nah, don't race him, actually.
I'll let him go, yeah?
Yeah, let him go, let him go.
God, I'm indicating the whole time and they're not going. It's all good. It's all good. Just let them go.
Yeah.
They're gonna be here.
Come on.
Renault Megane there. I'm gonna take it easy now because of the downhill.
Yeah. 100% with you. They're gonna be here somewhere.
Yeah.
I don't know where, but.
They're there.
Yeah.
Let's do it on the engine, yeah?
Yeah. The Proton, dude.
The mighty Proton.
Dude, we're doing so well with the BMWs and everything today.
Dude, he said I'm gonna pass you and then he did it.
Dude, we should just get another lap and just go for it. The brakes are still good.
Well, let's see about the others, yeah? Because they might say we have to go and stuff, and then Laura will probably want to say hi.
Yeah.
That's why let's just wait and see what they do.
Yeah, because we can do one.
I know. So we'll just do it.
Yeah, because then
we'll just call them and say, look, we'll just say like, look, we're gonna now
do a lap.
meet you at the parking spot again.
Yeah.
And then, but on the way we go to the parking spot, I'll stop at the fuel station for you or ticket counter, and you go in and get a ticket.
I'll get a ticket and a sticker.
Yeah, and then you go one more time.
Yeah, lekker. Doing so.
Then we just chill for 30 minutes, let the brakes do its thing.
Yeah.
No problem.
And then like 12:15 we go.
Yeah. Sounds good?
Yeah, 12:15 we go.
Whoa!
You're good.
Whoa!
It's really good.
I know.
They're so good, the tires,
Let
right?
me take it easy.
Yeah. Yeah, good, man. On the brakes, use the hill and power out. Lekker. Temperature's still good.
Very.
Yeah, this car is amazing, man. It's perfect for the track. I'm so glad we did this.
Oh.
Dude, it's so great. Dude, this is such a good car, man. I love it. I love this car.
It's amazing, dude. And really, it's around raining, so we'll take it easy again. Yeah.
It's not really.
No, it is. The track is fine, totally fine, dude.
Yeah, man.
Dude, this is nice.
It's such a good feeling, right?
Wow.
Such a high, man.
That was my last lap today.
Yeah, make it count, man.
No
Get
problem.
the carousel again.
Yeah, there's no one, so we can.
Maybe it's closed. It's possible.
Let's go.
If it is, then we just chill anyway. And we won't bother buying one.
We'll see. I think it's open.
It would make sense to buy a ticket on the way to the ring, because we can see if it's still open. Get the carousel. Just waving to the people to try to get a name out, you know?
There's no one behind us. Either, like,
no, there's over there. I see them. I see people coming, dude. I see people coming. Hey, yeah!
Temp's totally fine.
Yeah, I know, right? Brilliant. Oh, don't use the wipers, it'll make the film funny.
Yeah, did it.
Nice!
Woo! Still open. Still open.
Yeah, good job, man.
Nice.
Oh, it feels so great, man.
Okay, we got 2 laps on the GoPro, huh?
Yeah, now we'll stop.
Then we can literally see
Fuck
how
it, we'll just do it again, the GoPro. Just in case we get another nice beat. Now do it when you're out. It's nicer because then it's complete.
Good point. Okay, so I'll just bring you to the ticket counter right now, okay?
Okay.
And then I'll park there. You go inside, and then I will.
No, go to the petrol station.
No. It was busy. We have to U-turn. Just go now, and then we'll go through the parking lot away, and then we'll go meet him at the meeting point.
So wait, you're gonna drop me now?
Yes. So get the mask ready and your wallet.
Where's my mask?
And I put the mask in here or here. Check. Here.
Okay, and then what?
And then just go buy a ticket for yourself right now.
And you wait for me.
I'll wait in this part in the same spot. Yeah.
And then we call them.
And then we call them and hey, let's go back to the parking spot.
Okay.
We'll hang out there, chill, let them everything cool down, you know.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll go park it and you just go in, yeah?
Okay. One.
Yeah, just one ticket. That's all we're doing today.
Sorry.
It should be there. Toch?
Don't know.
It should be there. Or is it? You found it?
Yep.
Okay.
I'll leave my phone there. You call them when I do this, yeah?
Okay.
Okay, I'm just gonna get out.
Yeah, is goed, man. Get out of there.
Yep.
Just go get a ticket. I'll wait for you right by all these cars, yeah?